This is Mikawada. Thank you for your question. I received this question in the comment section of a video telling you how to cook azuki. Do I need to soak the azuki in water overnight before cooking it? Yes. I'm going to tell you why you don't have to wear it. The azuki that were originally polished are selling well, so you just need to wash them quickly. Yes, I finished washing the azuki. You may have heard of a recipe for soaking azuki in water overnight, but no, it wouldn't be floated for a night. The reason is that when you put red beans in water, they absorb water into the skin and become bigger, and they can be boiled quickly. However, if you boil it quickly, the skin of the azuki beans will be easier to break. Also, colored azuki are well distributed and you can get good condition. In the past, homemade azuki beans were stored carefully for many years and the distribution was poor. So some of the skin of old azuki became hard. I think people in the past recommended the recipe of soaking in water overnight because it is faster to cook such things that have been harvested for a long time. But now you can put it in a pot and heat it as soon as you wash it. That's why you don't azuki in water overnight before cooking it. Thank you for your question. Please cook azuki together with us.